This is a mechanic's friend, Washita Oilstone, a vintage stone. It is lapped and chamfered on one side. Box is intact. These are KB Junior brand, I think. The lacquer on this box is quite tacky for whatever reason. Box condition in general. I don't think this box was ever built all that great, to be honest with you. Backside, I think there was glue on it at one point. Anyway, I think, to the best of my knowledge, these are rebranded #1 Washitas. #1 grade Washitas. This example is 5 13/16 of an inch by 1 14/16 of an inch wide by 13/6. Well, on the bottom, the way they cut this, it scoops in on one corner of it, on one end, and on the other. But on average, it's 13/16 of an inch thick. In some spots, it might be a hair more, and in others, it might be a hair less. But on average, it's 13/16. The specific, it's oil stripped as well. The specific gravity of the stone, determined by submersion method, is 2.147. It's quite soft and cutty. Mechanic's friend.